My name is Lyric, my pronouns are they, them, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Dysphoric by Cavetown. This is one of my favorite songs, though it's so hard to choose a favorite when it comes to Cavetown. But it's also one of the most complicated to play. Apollo is here to join us. So these are all the chords in the song. And here are the words. Now, I know the pluses and whatnot are a little confusing, but it'll make more sense in a minute. Okay. Okay, so my voice isn't low enough to sing this without the capo on the first fret. You gonna sing too? And, but just, obviously you don't need to have the capo there. I just need it. So I'll be saying, you know, instead of the fifth fret being the one with the marker, it's the one below because this is now the top. Bye bye. Okay. So I will just start at the very beginning and show you the strumming pattern, or picking pattern. So you just use the bottom three strings in this. So I'll be saying 1, 2, and 3 for your fingers. So you start on C, and it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. And you play that on each of the slides. So you start at 3 and slide down to 2. Then you slide up to 5. So it's that on each. And it's the same strumming pattern, picking pattern. I can't say picking pattern because I want to put a L in there. And it would be F plus. Now F plus is an F chord with the C chord still. 'Cause I can't stand it. And then you go to F minor. No. And then you switch to your ring finger, can't, to F plus. So I'm going to play that whole thing really slow. So it's four times through the pattern on F plus, and then 2 times on F minor and F minor plus. And you do that again for the second line, and then you keep that picking pattern for the pre-chorus. So A minor, but now I don't comfort C, because what I am is an E minor, E7 I mean, what I'm not. If you have a hard time playing this chord, you can just play these two, because it doesn't sound that different when you're strumming, so just to let you know. Is what I find me a way out if you love me at all. And then this is when we start strumming. Sorry, I got kind of distracted there, so I went a little weird. Okay, so the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up, which is one of my favorite strumming patterns. I use it for most things. So. And you do the C sliding when you strum for this one. And then you start doing the strumming for all the end, well, most of the rest. Sorry about being all over the place. Okay, so the next verse is very similar to the first one, except you're strumming. So, don't let me hear what they say. Except for this, you could just strum F. You don't have to do F+. 'Cause I can't stand it. You could do F+ though. 'Cause I can't stand it. And then F minor. Every F minor plus day. I'm thinking that I should leave now. But I don't think I'm coming. And then you just stay on F minor this time. Back this time. But now I don't remember comfort, because what I am is what I'm not. This phantom skin, it's weird to live in, so find me a way out if you love me at all. And then I do the plucking on the C again. And that's how I end it. I'm actually thinking back, I think it might actually sound better to play E7 with just these two. Find me a way out if you love me at all. I don't know. I guess it's up to you. Because I'm pretty sure when I was watching Robin play it, he just played these two, but it's really hard when you're just watching a video of someone play. So that's why I made this one. If I can talk today, it would probably make a lot more sense, but I really hope it helped. I have my full cover, and I'll link that, and I'll try and link my other tutorials as well when I figure out how to do that, which I think I know how to do. I'm gonna stop rambling now. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you learned the song from this tutorial. Have a really good day.